Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. This is my part 2 video from last Sunday. Last Sunday I did a 16 by 40 flip and drag using Artist Loft Soft Body White. So today's video is the same colors, same technique, except instead of Soft Body White from Artist Loft, I'm using Amsterdam Titanium White. You're going to see a big difference in the outcome because the Artist Loft Soft Body White tends to sell up and make those big, poofy, cloudy white sails. So let's get down the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. So like I said, the comparison is going to be this painting today will be using Amsterdam Titanium White. The other painting that I used the exact same colors, I used Artist Loft Soft Body White. Now, I'll show you again what that looked like with all the cells. See how much cells bubbled up through here? It gave you these big cloudy poofy cells. Some people like that, some people don't. So today is my second part of the test where I don't use that white. I'm using the Artist Loft, or excuse me, I'm using the Amsterdam Titanium White. So I will do the exact same thing. I'll tell you the colors as I go, as I fill up the cups. I'm gonna start off with my Quinacridone Rose from Amsterdam. Each cup is going to get about 10 ounces of paint. Going to come in with my Carmine Red. Then I'm going to come in with some Azo Orange. I love doing these experimental tests to see how paints work. Okay, here we go. This is the Amsterdam Titanium White. This is Soho Gold. Looks just like 24 karat gold. Some of the Pistachio Green. I'm going to do a little separation layer of the white between the green and, because I'm going to come back in with the colors. Pink. Oops, helps if I do all of them. Just a little bit. Just like I did in the last painting, a little bit of gold. So I'm gonna flip my first cup here. 1, 2, 3. My second cup is gonna be, actually, let's do the second one here. 1, 2, 3. Got a third cup here. 1, 2, 3. Now we're just gonna lift and drag and pull. Lift. Just lifting as we go along, letting the paint out. There we go. We're going to do the same thing over here. Just going to lift, release a little paint as we go. And the last one. You can already see a difference. The cells are popping up, but it's nowhere near what the other painting was doing, which is fine. That's the whole point of this test. But again, I will do my best to keep you guys in frame. Wow. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna leave it here. I've stretched it out enough. I am going to scrape my sides and edges. I'll do some torching and then I'll bring you guys down. Okay, here we are with the wet result. So look at the difference of this one compared to the next one. And I will give you a side-by-side look. I still got cells, but they're not the cloudy, poofy white cells. All right, we'll see this one is dry. All right, guys, so here we are with the the dried result of both pieces side by side. The one on the left is the Artist Loft Soft Body White. The one on the right is the Amsterdam Titanium White. So look at the difference in how the cells happened. So I'm gonna bring you guys in. I'm just gonna go from top to bottom with each. Okay guys, that is it. So you saw those side by side and how different those two whites made those paintings be different from each other. So wild, so crazy. I like the soft body white. I tend to use it more in my open cup pours and my straight pours. But even the open cup pours, it can be too much with the cells. So I'm probably going to do a little mix and not use the soft body white as often and go back to my Amsterdam white. I used to only use Amsterdam white, but I kind of wanted to try different things, and that's why I got back onto the Artist Loft. So don't use the Artist Loft for the Dutch pours, it'll eat up your colors. Oh, before I forget, this is the piece from Wednesday. The gunmetal gray, it actually ended up drying much darker, much blacker. So I definitely do not need to repaint over top of that. I love the result though. Really dried great. Got a great finish. I think some, I don't know, maybe some resin top coat would be cute for that. I don't know. We'll see. But it definitely did not dry gray. It dried black. Wet, it looked great though. All right, enough babbling. I'll talk to you guys next week. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.